ratio and proportion lampang kan khoi de anga hey ratio and proportion hi apoimo lutu ka wangin hey kan khoi de anga proportion ratio and proportion kan ti chuan ratio 7/8 7:8 kan ti kha 7/8 kan ti te kha ni hi ratio ti na nia hei hi nakina question etiang question hi tam tu ku wangin solve lo thailowin ka ngai to wangin hei hi kan solve panga question som panga som parok bor vel kan solve panga question sang aron kal thei direct question pon ni lo indirect de pon question an siam the wangin hei hi ka ngai poimo an twisted question tepo indirect question tepo kan solve do ni heta tuna question number 1 turin if a is to b equal to 7:8 atia a is to b kha 7:8 kan ti chuan 7/8 ti nani mai ani 7 kha a 8 kha b ti nani hei hi shiat tur nakida karon soi to lo don wangin hei hi shiat phot apoimo a b is to c kan ti kha 7:9 an tia heta question akha chu wangin what is the ratio of a is to b is to c a is to b is to c zon chwa tur nia heta a kha 7 ania heta b 8 ania heta b 7 heta c 9 ani wagin ai nang thelo hei pan hi voi khata jo zia tur ni wangin tin kan solve don ti kha nia heta chon direct question pon kan solve theya chuti lo po in e formula chen khat kan mang theya apani beven kan solve fanga a kha 7 b 8 ania a 7 b 8 ani wangin hei hi ai nang lo ani a kha 7/8 ania b kha b by c kha 7/9 ani wangin heta b 8 heta b 7 b7 ania ai nang lo hei pani hi ai nang dan tur kan ngai to adon ani chu wangin hei b by c kan ti kha c by b ya kan thak chuan 9 hei po 7/9 kha 9/7 arun ni dor ani khatang kan solve anga hei hi karon rapanga b by c kha c by b in kan thak anga c by b kha 9/7 anin dai don ni achan chu b by c kha 7/9 ni wa tuna b hi anwai lampang ve na to a hei hi multiply b ve kha multiply wila 8 7 are 56 ani wangin heta 56 kan je kanga heta 8 multiplied by 8 7 are 56 ania 56 anwai lampang 7 izia chuan achung lampang po 7 zia turania heta po 7 56 khanna turin 8 nenin multiply chuan 8 ania tuna en chinte angle a by b chu 7 7 are 49 by 56 ania c by b chu exact nge kan ti chuan 9 8 are 72 by 8 7 are 56 b kha 76 ani ai nang to ania chu wangin a is to b is to c chu exact nge kan ti chuan a kha 49 ani thei to a b kha 56 ai nang to ani wangin 56 kan mang thei to a c kha 72 kan mang thei to ani chu wang hei hi answer ni mai ani 49 56 72 option number 2 hei answer ni ma se khatianga in solve du lo po in pakhat om chu heta kan ziak le anga ma se tu na ka solve dan hi anuam zo ka shet hiam po a ol zo ka wangin heteng kan solve pui ma sak khania tuna a b b c ania hei chu a is to b is to c chu engtin nge kan ti chuan hei multiply tur ania a b azo is to b b is to a b c multiply tur ni hetianga in multiply pon answer mu don ani tuna hei a in 7 kan manga 7 8 hei bc ka 7 9 7 9 ania hei le hei multiply masak tu ania 7 na 49 ania 7 8 are 56 hei le 7 9 8 are 72 hei answer ni 72 hei ai nang chiani hetiak pun solve the ni en solve du la pun ni china ka solve da din en solve the don ni hei hi question number 1 ania question number 2 akan lut ngalanga if p is to q is to r equal to 5 is to 3 is to 6 ani chuan what will be the ratio of p by q q by r by p ania p kha 3 ni ta se q kha 5 ni ta se q kha 3 ni ta se r kha 6 ni ta se p by q q by r le r by p chu exam nge tia p I in 5 in mang thea p kha 5 ti nania q chu 3 r chu 6 ania p by q is to q by r is to r by p ania jon chwa tur kha p by q ka ti chuan 5 by 3 ania q le r chu 3 by 6 r le p chu 6 by 5 ania hei hi ai nang lo eta answer enula fraction in om lo shima chu wang in hei fraction lo wa kanda answer fraction lo de kanda tum don ni eta 3 hei 3 6 le 5 hi LCM kan la anga LCM chu eng jang kan ti chuan 3 6 le 5 chu 3 2 are 6 3 1 is 3 3 2 are 6 5 aniam hei hi LCM chu eng jang kan ti chuan 5 2 are 10 10 3 are 30 30 ania chu bangin 5 by 3 multiplied by 30 is to 3 by 6 multiplied by 30 is to 6 by 5 multiplied by 30 ania 3 10 are 30 6 5 are 30 5 6 are 30 chu bangin 5 le 10 hei 5 le 10 ni multiply chuan 50 ania 3 le 5 multiply chuan 15 ania 6 le 6 multiply chuan 16 ani chu bang hei answer eta option number 1 ani katiangin next question akan lut ngalanga question number 3 na turin if x by y equal to 6 by 5 if x by y equal to 6 is to 5 z by y equal to 9 is to 25 then what is the ratio of x by z atia x by y to 6 by 5 ania z by y to 9 by 25 ania thei hi LCM milak chuan engzang nge kan ti chuan hoi y ve ni to a hei hi har salo ai nang lo ma se LCM min lak chuan 25 ania 5 le 25 divide chuan 5 ania 5 over 25 ania nói là 5 multiply chuan chunglam pang po 5 ania 25 multiplied by 1 ani chuan 25 ania 9 multiplied by 1 hei chu engzang ni kan ti chuan x by y chu 30 by 5 25 ania z by x y chu 9 by 25 ania chu wang in a question to x is to z ania x is to z chu x by z hei chu x chu heta 25 ve ni toy nang wangin x chu 30 ania z chu 9 he cancel tawla 3 3 are 9 3 10 are 30 chu wang 10 is to 3 he answer ni mai ni heta option number 3 answer he option number 3 ani next kan lut dona if a is 25% less than b I in a chu 25% in a claim jok atia chu ti ni chuan question 2 what will be the value of 2b minus a by a heta value b le a kan shell lo chuan answer kan mu the don lo ni chu bang a le b hi kan assume don ni if a is 25% less than b ati wangin b kha 100 eta se a chu 25% less 100 atang thil kan calculate chim chu a percent za ta se 25% less kan ti chuan chu 100 minus 25 to 75 a 75 ni mai ani a chan chu 100 atang thil kan calculate chim chuan a percent in kha ani na za che a chuak don ni chu wang a 75 ania b 100 ania. What will be the value of 2b minus a by a atia 2 b kha 100 ani wangin 100 heta minus oma minus a chu 75 ania by eta a kha 75 2 le 100 hei 2 le 100 i multiply chuan 200 minus hei le hei multiply ma sak thei lo ni a chan chu bot mass rule oma bot mass rule chuan divide ama sa zo kan ya zo minus chu last atop na oma wangin multiply po heta kalma sa a chu wangin multiply ma sak tur ni minus 75 by 75 ania 200 minus 75 chu 125 ania by 75 hei cancel taula 5 1 is 5 5 6 7 5 over 25 5 2 are 10 5 5 are 25 5 3 are 15 5 5 are 25 chu wang in 5 by 3 hei hi answer ni mai ani option number 4 answer ani. Next question kan lut anga e karon rap masalo kanga speed of Deepak are in the ratio of 19 is to 12 respectively ti chu Deepak ama sa zo ka heta chu 19 kha Deepak Vinod kha 12 ti nani. If the speed of Vinod is 84 km per hour, what will the speed of Deepak ania chu wang in hei hi a speed a ratio kha 19 by 12 ania 19 kha kasoyang in Deepak ania 12 kha Vinod ani heta if the speed of Vinod is 84 atiam Vinod khan hoi lam pang ni wang in anoi lam panga Vinod 84 kan ja kanga hei hi Deepak kha jon chua tur ni a speed hei hi cross multiply an hoi lam pang ve ve engma om lo wagin hei lei po in multiply in divide ngal theni 12 what is 12 12 7 are 84 ania Deepak chawa om to a hei kha transfer chuan i cross multiply point a poilo 19 multiplied by 7 ania 9 7 are 63 3 6 in hand ania 7 1 is 7 13 chu wang in 13 km per hour kha Deepak speed ani 133 eta option number 4 ani. Next question kan lut anga the ratio of two numbers is 14 is to 25 ania 14 is to 25 ania wang in if the difference between them is 264 hei ni number in kara zani som ruk pali a om ti na nia what is the smaller of two numbers a number claim zok 14 kha jon chwa tur hei hi ratio nia number tak tak ani lo a number 264 ania 264 kha mun pania thanlam pakhat kha 14 ania pakhat kha 25 ania pakhat in som pali amu chuan pakhatin a pakhat zokin 25 amu ti nania pakhatin som ni pariat amu chuan a pakhatin som nga mu ti nani chu wangin atlem zo kha tiangin chu tula voi khat number heta aron kalanga number atom na number pakhat aron kalanga hei pani i plus chuan 264 in mudonani chu wangin kha kha a number chu chun a number eng ye ti kha ni question aron zo hi hei hi kan solve anga hei po kan na chho lo nga ratio 14 le 25 ania hei x kan mang da yanga a chan chu number eng za tin nge kan multiply don ti kan sial lo wangin ni china 14 multiplied by 2 25 multiplied by 2 tin kan ja kam atop na number pani aron chhuak anga top na chu ni chia lo in multiply la hei number padi plus chuan 264 an ni chia don ni kami wangin number chi ange ti kha kan sial o wangin x kan mang dona he heta chang kha answer hi kan semai don ni if the difference between them is 264 atia hei pan hi 25 de 14 i minus chuan difference kha minus ania 264 i mu don ani 264 i mu chuan ni chen hai chunglam pakaz ya 264 ni lowa he number pakhat heta number pakhat om dona hei number hi i chen darangam i minus 264 i mu don ti na niam hei hi 25x minus 14x chu engjang e kan ti chuan 11x aniam 264 hei transfer chuan x equal to 264 in muanga hei in divide chuan 264 by 11 in muanga hei in divide chuan 24 in mudon ni x 24 ania which is the smaller of the two numbers ati wangin hei hi which is the smaller of the two numbers ati wangin two number a hei hi tlem zo kania 14 multiplied by 24 chu engjang nge kan ti chuan 336 in mudon ni hei hi answer option number 3 answer ani next question kan lu tanga if x by y equal to 5:4 then what will be the ratio of x by y and y by x x by y is to y by x atia x by y kha 54 ni 5 by 4 ni ta se x to 5 y kha 4 ti nani chu wangin x by y equal to x by an question a hei ania hei kan jek nga langa x by y is to y by x kan ti chuan x by y ten kan jek nga x by y by x ti nania is to kan ti khat by ti nania divide soi nani x kha 5 by 4 ania y by x by y to 5 by 4 ni chuan y by x to engzari kan ti chuan 4 by 5 ani don ani 5 by 4 by 4 by 5 ania hei hi 5 by 4 multiplied by hei divide ania multiply e thak chuan hei po in reverse don ani 5 by 4 chu wangin 25 by 16 hei ni mai ni answer option number 1 next question kan lu tanga hei question po harsamia lo nia ma se ngai to thui ve dau anga iwangin thatakang ngai to turani te karon tin karon soi masanga bag pakata poisa jasari somriat panga 785 awma a denomination anoyim chenga le cheng som thir ina oma coin ina oma chu the coins are in the ratio apoisa po 6:9:10 a ratio in 9 pair how many coins of rupees 5 are in the bag atia chu wangin hei hi bag pakhata heta bag ka oma cheng ni not de cheng ni noi athir te po omanga chenga po omanga cheng som thir po omanga ma se cheng ni thir hi engzan yom kan shelo chenga po kan shelo cheng som po kan shabok lo chu wangin hei hi engzan nge hata chenga thir hi engzan nge om bag chunga ti khania question ron zo hi chu wangin hei hi kan jong chhuak anga avai hian apoisa jongjong hi jasari somriat panga ania jasari somriat panga ni wangin hei hi joncho a harlowa fataka ngai thak turani 785 rupees 785 ani wangin cheng ni hi om zat kan shelo ma se a ratio zat kan shia a ratio zat the coins are in the ratio 6:9:10 atia cheng ni thir hi paruk aom chuan chenga thir hi pakwa omanga cheng som thir hi som om donani he kan shia ni chu wangin heta tang kan chut dona a ratio ni wangin heta 6x 9x le 10x kan la the ani cheng ni thir hi 6x a oma plus cheng nga thir hi 9x a oma nga nakina kon explain mayanga cheng som thir hi 10x a oma ni hei zong in plus chuan 7 8 5 in modon ani a chan chu hei hi cheng ni thir ania a ratio zata paruk om chuan cheng ni thir cheng a thir hi pakwa omanga cheng som thir hi som om angai awang in hei hi cheng ni thir hi paruk a om don wang x hi kan shelo ma se ratio ni wang x kan mang the ni heta x vek kan mang the ni hei hi a poisa om zat tu rania hei hi plus sula a bek chunga poisa om zat kha ni don ani chu wangin hei 6 2 le 6 multiply chuan 12x anianga 9 5 are 45x plus 10 are 100x ania equal to 785 ania 12 plus 45 plus 100 hei zong in plus chuan 157x in modon ani equal to 785 hei hunna wiam wangin heta karon solve kher to lawa ma se in shia thiam karing do ani hei le 157 le x in kara multiply a oma heta in transfer chuan divide aron chuak do ni multiply to divide to multiply aron chuak anga plus to minus to plus aron chuak do ni 785 by 157 ania hei hi in divide chuan 5 in modon ani 5 in mu chuan x kha kan sheto a cheng how many coins of rupees 5 are there in the bag atia rupees 5 to 9x heta 9x ania 9 into x2 9 into 5 xi in 5 kan mang thei to a chuwangin 45 coins somli panga hi chenga hei somli panga hi chenga thir hi aom ti nani coin somli panga thir hi chenga thir ani ti nani entir nan cheng som coin eng zan ngiyo man ti chuan heta 10x hei hi 10x ani wangin 10x kan manganga 10 into x ani anga 10 into 5 chu som nga om ti nani cheng ni thir eng zan ngiyo kun ti chuan 6 into x equal to 6 into 5 som thum coin avai hian hei plus la avai hian coin som zat ishamai don ni ma se tu na question aron cho chu chenga thir hiang zan go man tia hi option number 3 45 ani next question kan lu tanga in a mixture of 60 liters mixture ti jon thil pathum unmix ti nani the ratio of milk and water heta chon milk le water so when is 2:3 then the quantity of water in the mixture is atia hei hi tui heta mixture tiang hetiang kan je kanga heta hi tui le bonute ai mixa chu 60 liter ania 60 liter ania a ratio hi 2 le 3 ania om zia chu milk ama sakzo ka bang 2 ania water chu 3 ani milk chu 2 liter om chuan tui chu 3 liter om ti nani an soi om zia chu ani chuan milk chu 4 liter om chuan water chu 6 liter om anga I doni multiplied by 2 ve veula katyang de 9 liter om anga 3 are 2 4 6 katina he 6 liter ne he 9 liter hetiang in aron kal chho anga multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 teron kal chho voi khat heta hele hei I plus chuan 60 aron ni chi adon ani chuwang hei kha heta liter om zat kha question kha hei helam pang hi milk ania helam pang hi water ania hei water kha eng zan heta om zat ti kha nia question ron zo na se tiang in tu na ka sob angin solvula are dol tu ko bangin ten kan solve lawanga anuam jok turin kan solve don ni the quantity of water the mixture hei hi 2:3 di bang 2x kha milk ni ta se achan chu milk le water chu 2:3 ni a water chu 3x ani don ani hei pan hi a liter zat ani to a hi x atel chuan 2 le 3 chau is ya chuan ratio ala ni achan 2:3 ani a hei 2:3 la ni awang in ma sa 2x le 3x in ja chuan a liter zat ani to ni hei 2x le 3x i plus chuan engzan nge ni don kan ti chuan a tu milk zat zong le tu zat zong in plus chuan 60 liter in mu don ani hei hi 5x ania 2x plus 3x to 5x ania 60 liter ania hei chu engzan nge kan ti chuan 5x x equal to 12 liter ania 12 liter to x ania het tu na question in the quantity of water in the mixture water hei khania 3 multiplied by x to 3 into 12 36 liter hi answer ani 36 liter option number 3 next kan lut dona hei kan solve le anga rupees 6300 is divided between x, y and z tatia 6300 kha x, y le z a in divide ta such that x in pasari amu chuan y in panga atia y in pali amu chuan z in pathum heta ania ratio zat ania soi x in pasari amu chuan y in panga amuanga y is to z chu 4:3 ania soi zia chu heta karon ziak thanga x is to y chu 7:5 ania y is to z chu 4:3 ania nichina kan formula ti ang deuin kan solve le anga hei hi ma se shortcut kha kan mang to don ni nichina formula kan man to wangin kha in en do chon in en mayula xy is to x is to y is to z chu exam ni kan ti chon xy heten kan che kanga 7 5 au manga 5 ania 4 3 ania hele multiply masak to 7 4 28 is to 5 4 20 is to 5 3 15 hey here ratio zat ania x is to y is to z kha x is to y is to z kan mu to a tuna what find the share of y hi engzan nge atia hi ratio nia chu wang in y kha 20 ania y by 28 plus 20 plus 15 ania multiplied by 6300 ania he kha y share za turani he a total heta ratio trang total ania 28 plus 20 plus 15 chu engzan nge kan ti chuan 63 ania 63 by 20 multiplied by 6300 ania 63 1 is 63 chu wangin y chu engzan nge kan ti chuan check so la 2000 ani hey 20 le 100 multiply chuan 2000 in mudon ni hey 2000 option number 1 answer ani next question kan lutanga fourth proportion formula hi share tu ania fourth proportion formula chu the fourth proportion hi in share chuan har sami alo ania fourth proportion a formula po har salo fourth proportion formula chu a by b equal to c by d ania heta hi 10 kha a 12 kha b 15 kha c ti na nia d jon chwa tur ani a kha 10 by 12 equal to 15 by d hei jon chwa tur na 2 5 are 10 2 6 are 12 ania 5 3 are 15 chu wang in om sun chu d equal to hei le hei multiply to 6 3 are 18 answer 18 hei option number 2 ni mai ni hei formula in share chuan engma har sa tur om lo ani tu na fourth proportion kan zir to a third proportion a formula po ai nang tre pa third proportion formula chu a by b equal to b by c ania ei formula in shet chuan har sat to lo hei hi a ania hei hi b ani chuwang in a kha 9 by 15 equal to 15 by c c kha third proportion ani third proportion c jon chwa mai tur ani a chu engjang e kan ti chuan 9 ania 3 3 are 9 3 5 are 15 ania 3 5 are 15 chuwang c equal to hei in multiply chuan 25 answer to option number 4 25 ni mai ni next question kan lu tanga the ratio between two numbers is 7:16 number panhi ratio to 7:16 ani atia if the second number is 256 a second number kan share a chu wangin the first number is atia a ratio chuan 7/16 ania a second number 256 ani chuan a second number heta chuan second number to 16 zo kan i wangin a second number 256 atia wangin 256 kan ziak tia first number hei hi jon chwa tur ani hei hi jon chwa har lowang hei hi kan cancel thei nga la noi lampang le noi lampang ve 4 are 16 4 6 are 24 4 are 16 4 1 is 4 4 6 are 24 ania x chu engzang kan ti chuan 16 multiplied by 7 7 6 are 42 4 in hand ania 7 7 8 9 10 11 chuwangin option number 3 hei hi answer ni mai ni next question kan lut nga langa 75% of a number x is equal to 2 by 5 of another number hei hi question atang equation kan siam don ani 75% of a number 75% of a number x atia 75% percent kan ti chuan 100 ania 75% of chuenge multiply ania a number x is equal to 2 by 5 of another number y ania heta chang ratio x is to y kha jon chwa tur ani hei kan jong chwa kanga 5 to 10 ania tuna 75 x a oma hei hin transfer chuan divide ania multiply aron kaldoni 2 2 or 4 40 y ania answer to a question to x is to y to x by y ania y ka transfer la 75 khalam pang transfer la dik by doni x hei in kara multiply oma divide in aron kaldona hemin kara multiply bang hei po divide in aron kaldoni 75 hei 5 8 are 40 5 1 is 5 5 5 are 25 ania chuwang in answer to 8 by 15 hei answer ni option number 3 if 12a equal to 16b equal to 15c then find a is to b is to c a is to b is to c zon chwa turania 12a equal to 16b equal to 15 setting question shim chu heta 12a equal to 1 tin ngai to lam 16b equal to 1 15c equal to 1 chuwang a chu engzan kan ti chon 1 by 12 ania b chu 1 by 16 c chu 1 by 15 ania hei answer tu ni ma se question a e answer a fraction in ain pelo shima chuwang hei hi kan chu don ni hei hi LCM latopula ni chinat po kan hetiang thil kan solve to a 12 16 le 15 LCM kan lak chuan 2 6 are 12 2 8 are 16 15 3 2 are 6 8 3 5 are 15 2 1 is 2 2 4 are 8 5 hei hi LCM kan la nga LCM kha engzan nge kan ti chuan 240 ani chuwang in a chu 1 by 12 into 240 ania b chu 1 by 16 into 240 ania C2 hei hi ania 1/15 into 240 ania hei hi cancel taula 12 to 24 ania heta chuan 20 oma is to 16 le hei hi 15 ania 16 15 are 240 ania 15 is to C2 15 le 16 ania chu wang 16 hei hi cancel thei om to lo wangin 20 15 16 hei hi answer option number 3 ni mai ni tuna hei hi kan solve fanga a question top na tu ani to a ratio lampang hi har sat lo wangin ma kan solve chak du chuan solve tam hi poimo bera kan solve tam lo chuan solve chak thei lo ani wangin hei hi solve chak na turin practice tam kha poimo ma ni ti hi shat tur ani how much should be added to each term 4/7 4/7 na engzat nge kan add don so that it becomes 2/3 atia how much should be added to each term of 7 the 4/7 to each term atia wangin hei hi khatiang khan ni lowa each term chu enge kan ti chuan 4 le 7 ma heta number enge kan add don 2/3 chwa thina turin atia hei kha x kan manganga chu wangin 4 plus x by 7 plus x chu 2/3 ania hei cross multiply to pula 3 4 plus x ania nga 2 7 plus x ania 3 le 4 multiply chuan 12 ania 3 le 3x multiply chuan kada plus oma 3 le x multiply chuan 3x ania hei x kha in chon chwa tur ni in 8 zat tur ani 7 le 2 multiply chuan 14 2 le x multiply chuan 2x ania hei hi kan heti lampang kan ti zo kanga 2 hi kan transfer anga 12 hi lampang kan transfer don ni chu wang in 3x minus 2x heta plus ade transfer chuan minus arun swak dona hei po 12 po ama plus oma right hand side transfer chuan minus 14 minus 12 hei chu 3x minus 2x chu 1x x ania 14 minus 12 chu 2 ania hei hi improve du chuan x kha 2 ve 8 ta ula answer kha 2/3 ni done heta kan proof anga 4/7 plus 2 plus 2 ni chun 2/3 ron chhuakem kan enanga 4 plus 2 kha 8 8/9 6/9 katina 4 plus 2 kha 6 ania 3 2 are 6 3 3 are 9 chu wang 2/3 ani chiani chu wangin answer chu x kha 2 option number 1 ani hetiangin kan solve fa nakina po next video apo number system hetiang lampang question deu equation siam na lampang deu hi kan solve le anga heta he video atang po thiltam takin siat pha karingani voina kan video siam thei hetiang thlengani ang kalome